Hi, it's Viv from B&C Camera. The urge to capture everything beautiful and near to their hearts, especially their beloved dogs, is a part of any photographer's instinct. Dogs, for example, are some of the most adorable, amusing, and lively photo subjects around. However, because dogs are unpredictable by nature, capturing excellent dog photographs may be difficult. Dog owners began capturing their family pets with Kodak box cameras approximately a century ago. While cameras have evolved over the last 100 years, dogs have not changed much. The art of dog photography necessitates practice, and it has several unique difficulties. Here are some helpful tips and practical ones to make your picture-taking enterprise as simple and hassle-free as possible for you and your pet. Set a time for the session. Proper scheduling might be the difference between success and failure for a photo shoot. If you want portrait-style dog photos, you'll have a far better chance of getting your dog in a calm setting when they're sleepy or just woke up. Snapping pictures of them while they're most active is preferable if you want exciting action shots. You may usually prepare them for the latter by playing with them ahead of time. You might also be able to catch both calm moments and action shots in the same shoot if you're lucky. To achieve it, begin by making the pups feel more relaxed, then give them goodies and playtime for later animated dog pictures. Plan your images carefully. Candids and going with the flow may produce decent photographs, but for really engaging ones that tell a story, you'll need to include them in context. Create a photo shoot theme and prepare your essential pictures. You might want to use props like dog toys or food that will elicit hunger pangs and excitement. Add variety to your dog photo sessions by selecting locations throughout the home where you can put them and developing various activities for each. Natural light is the cat's or dog's pajamas. You don't have to be concerned about voltage fluctuations or sophisticated lighting solutions when photographing dogs. The ideal option is to employ natural continuous light that will not frighten them or cause red eye in your photos. Whether you're using ambient or studio lights, the general guideline is to shoot for bright diffused illumination that will assist in creating more positive images. Even if your pup isn't responding well to brighter lights, you may always boost your ISO to capture action shots at fast shutter speeds. The higher the ISO, the faster you can shoot. Overcast days are typically preferred if you're filming outside because they provide more uniform diffused illumination. Days with sunshine present more significant challenges for photo sessions than overcast days because of the intense light, so don't be concerned if it's too cloudy. Crank up your shutter speed. Here's one more reason why photographing dogs might be challenging. You'll typically need a camera with fast shutter speeds to capture movement, and this implies you'll also need to understand how to use a manual setting on your camera. Some digital cameras have a programmed pet mode, but it isn't always enough to capture well-exposed, tack-sharp photos. So your best bet is to use a mirrorless camera or a DSLR, or at the very least a special app that allows you to modify manual camera settings. The Nikon Z series, Canon EOS R3, and Sony A1 all include animal eye detection as part of their face detection option. Make sure your doggy feels safe and comfortable. The most fundamental goal in dog photography is to capture your pet's personality and character. You'll have a more challenging time getting this if your pet is in a strange environment like a studio. Head to the park or backyard and let your pet unwind. This should make them feel, and appear, more at ease for the camera. Look them in the eye by getting down to their height. People are accustomed to viewing dogs from above, so photographs taken from that angle may not be as eye-catching. Shoot them at their natural level. Depending on the dog breed, you may have to crouch or lay flat on your stomach to level the camera with your pup. The goal is to shoot at their eye level or even lower, giving you the best perspective on their emotions. Laying on the floor with your camera for a photo shoot might feel daunting as a new pet photographer. Just keep in mind that nose smears are inevitable. Here, boy, Get their attention. Getting a dog's attention is one of the essential skills to learn when taking dog photographs. If you want them to stay put, try this easy method. Let them play before you're ready with the camera and your finger on the shutter, then call for their attention. Click the shutter as soon as they look toward you, and you'll be able to catch them paying full attention to you and your camera. Reward your canine buddy. Make sure you give your model a treat for being a good boy or girl. When it comes to posing, dogs aren't always the most cooperative after all, they're animals. But you may assist them in getting into a cute and photogenic position by using everything from owner-approved goodies to squeaky toys. If the dog isn't cooperating, take a break or go for a stroll to calm down before trying new dog postures when you return. You'll end up with cherished snapshots.